Okay, greetings everybody, welcome back. I'm about to try a little bit of satellite and then I'm going to try a bit of HF. Trust you well, it's M0YKS back in the shack. And we've got a satellite pass approaching, so I'm going to have a quick go at AO92. We've got a sked in place with OE3 Victor Echo Tango, fingers crossed. Let's see whether we can work him or not. So let's see what's going down. As the bird approaches. So that's on the AMSAT software. Scroll ship a little bit for a second until we get a bit of a better signal. So yeah, we've got 6 degrees above the horizon. I'm checking the top corner there, coming in at 215 degrees. And I'm just using my usual software. So yeah, just trying this one, see how it goes. Through the FT847, messing around again, been playing around with the computer a little bit more, and adjusted a couple of settings on the microphone for the audio. So just try to get this stream stuff sorted out. So whilst we're doing that, I'm just checking out this satellite approaching. So fingers crossed, we'll get an half decent contact and make a contact with a meal. That's what we're looking for. So yeah, we've just got nearly 10 degrees above the horizon. You can see the control unit in place here. As the software does the tracking for me. I generally wait till I get about 15 degrees, and that's pretty good. But yeah, Jay, if you're watching, I had a quick go on RS44, but didn't hear anything, so I put a few shouts out a few minutes ago. Tried to work you there, Jay, over there in stateside. We'll get you one of these evenings, mate. Keep trying. Right now we're on the FM bird, so it's coming into range nicely. 12 degrees above the horizon. I'm climbing. So yeah, let's see if we can get a signal coming through. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra CQ Sat. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra CQ Satellite. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra IO93. Did hear somebody there. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra CQ Sat. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra Satellite. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra Italy Oscar 93 listening. Signal's going off okay, it's not hearing much yet. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra Satellite. Seems a little bit strange that. disconnect the cat sec and reconnect. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra satellite. No, not much going down here. I hear the voices, but not particularly clearly. M0 YKS Italy Oscar 93. There we go. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra Italy Oscar 93 standing by. Yeah, I know you're coming back to me, but I'm not getting a very good signal tonight. Do apologise, M0 YKS. Yeah, not the best at all for some reason. That particular pass. I'm looking kind of puzzled because my radio is displaying the tuner control for some reason. Must have pressed the button. There we go. Confusing me a little bit. Don't take much. M0 YKS UQ satellite. M3 Tango Lima Lima Papa T. So yeah, Mirror Bruce has just come down for it. So yeah, that wasn't too great, was it, guys? Let's face it, that was not the best. But anyway, that's how it goes. I'm just going to, just bear with me a second, I'm just going to do a little bit of messing around, change things up, give you a bit of HF, and let's move my camera. Hopefully you're well, I know there's a couple of you on there, so I was hoping to make a contact there with Emil, but obviously that won't happen. So where are we? So look, I've really got you going now, haven't I? There I am. So yeah, a little bit dark. Oh yeah, just moving my camera into position and bringing the FT1000 into play. So yeah, that were a bit rubbish. Don't know why that was so poor. It's just how it goes sometimes. So yeah, that's how it works. That's my phone, by the way. How we do this live streaming business, just using my Samsung phone on this homemade tripod. Drop it down there and bring it in a position and see what it looks like in a second when I manoeuvre. Hopefully you'll get a picture. I don't know why I've got such a big M0 YKS up on the screen there. I can sort that out, I'm sure. Oh, I think I do know why. So yeah, this is live and direct. So to say. Right then, how's that going? That's not too bad. So yeah, I'll try to be smart and put that chat up there, but I've got to have really keen eyesight to see that. Honestly, I can probably make my thingy a bit bigger, but what I'll do is I'll put my Chromebook on. So I know there's, I think there's Jay Nash in there, Steve in there. Oh yeah, Nash from Japan, konnichiwa. Nice to see you in there, Nash. Happy New Year. A long time. Yeah. Juliet November 4, Victor Whiskey Hotel, very old friend of mine from well, way back. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Hope the family's well in Japan. And thanks for saying hello. And even to you, Chris, as well, up there in Scotland. Well, the band's pretty good actually, 40 metres, guys. It's pretty good. I'm not sure if we're going to get Japan, but we're certainly hearing one or two DX. So I'll just position this a little bit better. And see if I can make a contact. So yeah, pretty good stuff. Let's get the Chromebook out and quick listen. I know there were a lot of activity here earlier. I've been listening. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I presume you can. Yeah, nice to see you, Nash. So yeah, just firing up the old Chromebook so I can interact with you guys a bit easier. See what's going on. And yeah, we're in tier 5, so full lockdown again. And yeah, it's all good as the saying goes. Oh dear. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going on this band. I know it's quite lively. I'm not sure where this station's coming through from, but I heard I've got a lot of guys calling. I'll just turn my radio off. I had a bit of SSTV there, if I'm not mistaken. You can click on that. So that's quite unusual. We're getting the SSTV coming. Try if I can bring the window up, I'll have a go. So yeah, I know that's 40 meters SSTV, so you do hear it guys, but not that often. 40. About there somewhere. Not sure what mode that is, sounds a little bit unusual. Oh yeah, I can hear myself now. Not sure what mode that is, sounds a little bit unusual. That's better, isn't it? Not too bad. Right then, good stuff. So what have we got in there? So yeah, good evening Jason. Can see what's going on a bit better now. I don't think that front thing's working properly, that little widget I put on there. Perhaps. I'm not too sure how it all works. I'll have to look into it, I'm just messing about earlier. So I can see you now. Evening Steve. Chris. Billy. Nice to see you in there, my friend. You've got in there the new V-Dipole that arrived in the mail. Excellent. So I look forward to seeing you come through on that one. And also obviously good luck with that quadrophilia for the weather satellites. 101 blog, live in the shack too, nice one. So hopefully we'll get contact with you. I'm not sure if I'm on 40 meters tonight. If you are, we'll see if we can make a contact tour. So yeah, I'm just going to see if I can this SSTV working. Oh yeah. So I'll have a quick play on this. Just turn the auto history off, I don't really want to save it just yet, and we'll see if there's another transmission. Just a little bit slow on the uptake there. Being quicker. So yeah, right now, just see what's going on. Obviously nothing too tough in the shack. We've received the news, haven't we? Us UK guys. We're stopping in. A little bit longer. There'll be plenty of radio activity coming through. Lines, guys. No escape. So you put your 270 down to very little at the moment. I don't quite get that one, but I'm sure I'll work it out. Yeah. So just try to catch up with the comments. Sometimes I get lost in the comments, guys. So yeah, I think the SSTV's stopped now. Typical that, isn't it? So we're gonna try a little bit of SSTV decoding. Hang about a little bit longer, just to see. Let's see how the oh, we've got to sort the flight aware out. Oh no, we haven't. Flight aware's doing good. Few aircraft about. Yeah, I've got the WX200 switched off at the minute. So yeah, just going through all this stuff I've been messing about with. And yeah, hopefully the audio's coming through okay. Well, right now I'm actually on the vertical, the Oslo vertical. So you saw the video earlier, but the SSTV stopped. So let's have a listen.
Alessandro, esta es Italia Victor 3 Union Tango Victor, Italia Venezuela 3 Union Tango Victor. Alessandro, te escucho muy bien, fuerte, claro, 559 está bien, muy fuerte. Mi incontro nel nord-est dell'Italia,
Oh yeah, I've been on to do a bit of DJing as well, guys. It's coming up on the comments.
Alessandro.
Yeah, I'm not sure how keen that would go down, but I could plug the vinyl turntables in and spin some tunes if you fancied it sometime. I'd have to have a vote on that one. And maybe I'll put a vote on the community page. And if you fancy a bit of live music, I can perform a lockdown DJ party. I did used to do a lot of broadcast DJing back in the youth, and I've got a massive vinyl collection. But only if you want it. I'm not gonna start doing it just for a bit of hell of it, sort of thing. I will do, since it's lockdown. If you want me to perform some tunes for you, I will do that. Not tonight though. I'd have to set up in the other room for that. Just plug my computer in the decks. I do it occasionally. I've done it quite a bit on Facebook to get into trouble on there. So YouTube's a bit more tolerant, I'd say. So yeah, I think all the dates has dropped off.
Thank you. Happy New Year. Thank
oh, maybe not.
Contact. Please stand by.
Japan on here.
Keep smiling.
So you got the ISS certificate today. Excellent stuff. Well done for getting the SSTV diploma. It's good, isn't it? Yeah, I've got mine. Very happy with that. Just reading the comment there from John. Nice stuff. That's what I like to hear. So yeah, there's been some pretty good DX on this frequency all evening. I'm not really hearing the Japanese station. Just trying my dipole. No, not hearing him. Well, maybe, faint. So, yeah, welcome, hello. Oh, the chat seems to be working. I don't know how well that's working, guys, on the full screen. You can see a bit of something in there. Yeah, let's see if we can hear what's going on. Well, give him a shout anyway.
Mexico 6, Romeo Golf Sierra. Good evening. You report for you 5859. 59, Robert. 59 report for you. 59 in Serbia. My name is Mickey. Mike India, Kilowatt India. Mike back to you. Mike 6, Radio Golf Sierra, Yankee Tango 3 Echo. Over.
So, Yankee Tango 3 Echo. Sounding nice enough. So, log up. So you're operating pretty slow, obviously. The news is kind of made you in that mood.
Your signal is very, very weak. Okay, thank you for your call.
Nothing better to do, is it, guys, now?
Thank you for call. Mike 6, Radio Golf Sierra, Yankee, Tokyo 3 Echo. Robert, 73, good luck, good luck, bye-bye.
Yankee Tokyo 3 Echo. Let's see if we can get through. Just compare antennas first.
Okay, 73, good luck.
Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Back pilot.
Yankee Tango 3 Echo.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
What is the Sierra? Sierra again?
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Okay, report for you, 56 report for you. My name is Mickey, Mike India Kilowatt India, Mike India Kilowatt India, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Yankee Tango 3 Echo, over.
Yeah, QSL Mickey, nice to meet you, and thanks for the 5x6. Yankee Tango 3 Echo, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, and you're 5x7, 57 Mickey. My name is Simon, Sierra India, Mike Oscar November. Location is the north part of England. Lovely to meet you here on 40 meters. Enjoy the band. Happy DX. Yankee Tango 3 Echo, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Good night. QSB.
Romeo Norway 4.
He's a bit stronger, isn't he?
Okay, radio November 4,
Fair enough.
Okay, thank you. Also 59.
Oh, maybe not. Probably a bit of QSB about there.
Strong. My name is Mickey, Mike India Kilowatt India. Mike back to you. Romeo Norway 4, Hotel Kilo Hotel, Yankee Tango 3 Echo, over.
Okay, Mickey, so my name is...
Yeah, just reading what you're saying there about the expected time. 6 week turnaround, possibly.
Okay, and
Yeah, possibly.
Thank you for
I'm
your contact. Thank you for nice
not going to put more times on it.
Bye-bye.
Difficult to tell, isn't it?
Thank you.
Yeah, good evening to you, Andy. How are you doing, buddy? Thanks for joining.
QRZDX, Yankee Tango 3 Echo.
I'm just about to post on the Ham Radio Operator live stream page, so yeah, greetings to all the crew from Facebook as well. I'll just put a little post in there now. I'm about to do it. I get carried away, guys.
Sierra Kilowatt. Okay, report for you 5858, 5x8 report for you. My name is Mickey, Mike India Kilowatt India, Mike India Kilowatt India, Echo Alpha 1,
Yeah, we feel better now, isn't it?
Yankee Tango 3 Echo, over.
There we go.
Stand by.
So yeah, thanks to all the guys from all the Facebook groups that are hopping on board, and I hope you enjoyed the streams. Keeps you out of trouble a little bit. And obviously all the girls as well, all the Yankee Lemas. Good evening to you. And good evening to everybody across the pond.
Roger, Roger, Sindo, thank you, Echo Alpha 1 Delta Sugar Kilowatt, Yankee Tango 3 Echo. Thank you for contact, Happy New Year, bye-bye.
Well, have a look. I don't get all the messages. I'll check the message out when I get a chance. N0IJK. Thanks very much. Oh, that's another one. Andy, sorry. Getting a bit confused. I'll check the message out. I just get a lot, that's all, because obviously my job, the students, I get a lot of messages, so I can't always respond to everybody's message. Do apologise. Get far too many. It's part of the job. Yeah, good evening to N0IJK. Good evening, my friend. Nice to see you. Welcome.
Dimitri, what is your call? Prefix,
I'm just looking at. Oh yeah, Jay. If you're listening on the stream, my friend. W4 Zulu X-Ray Tango. I did to give you a shout on RS44. I can see your comments just popped up there on another thing I'm looking at. So yeah, nice to try. We'll get you in there another time, I'm sure. So yeah, I'm just going to be playing casually and keeping an eye on everything that's going on at the same time. So what's happened to Stat 2C32? A minute, there it is. So you're waiting for the next ISS pass possibly. Not sure about that one, but it's looking a little bit low. So maybe not. Probably won't do more satellite stuff, guys. Yeah. Well, maybe we'll let's have a look at RS44 again. So where are we going to be looking at? Oh, no. Out of range, guys, for quite a while. Yeah, so it's cool, that, isn't it? How you can do all that. I like it. I wish I could move my shack around that easy all the time. Anyway.
Roger, thank you for your contact. 73, good luck, good years. Happy New Year, my friend.
Yeah, on signal that one, Steve. It's pretty bad news for these small businesses, definitely.
What is your call?
obviously I can still work online to on the session, but it's not that great, I'll be truthful. Obviously it's better when you're doing it in real person. It is for us all.
Io rimango ancora poco, poi faccio
So yeah, it's coming through beautiful.
Alzare un poco prima del normale.
Andy's asking me, is the ISS hard to track?
Complimenti per
Well,
I collegamenti che tu hai
let's just drop the volume down on that a little bit.
Spero di ascoltarti.
So yeah, well, Andy, there's a few ways of doing it. This is a way I would suggest you do it. Just go on internet and open up this browser, which is the AMSAT satellite tracking browser, and then just click on, put in your locator at the bottom, your location grid square, and it works out your exact locator, and this basically tells you exactly where the space station is and when it's going to come in range. So when you look at this screen, it's telling us that it'll be in range in 38 minutes. It'll be 7 degrees above the horizon, and it'll start at 182, so it'll be south, pass over at 141 at the highest point, and drop down again 89. So it's basically going to come over in a southerly direction and head off in the easterly direction with a maximum elevation of 7 degrees. So you'll struggle with that one, but you may get that on a vertical, quite easy I suppose, with that lower angle. And then the better pass would be later on at 12 minutes past 12, when it's 26 degrees. So that's how you can do it, easy enough, just clicking on the AMSAT satellite tracking page, and that is obviously free, and that's how I do it, which I've probably mentioned to you before. I've seen it, but I also use this because this controls my radio. Not the radio one now, obviously, the other one. But yeah, it's all pretty easy once you get the software. I mean, that other stuff I just showed you there, this stuff you don't do anything, you just click on the button. So you can, if I want to check out this particular one, I'll just show you again. Whichever one I want, if I want to find out SO50, I can click on SO50 and that'll tell me which direction SO50 is travelling in. Same for AO91, that's going to be a good pass coming up, but obviously last time we didn't get much, but this is probably going to be a bit better. Oh sorry, AO91's offline at the minute, it's AO92 at the minute, so that'll be dead at the minute, and so forth. So all these satellites are what are available. And you've got SSB sats as well, so you can click on that for the SSB and FM ones, you can click on that for the SSB only. So these are all your SSB sats. The orange highlighted one is telling you which one's in range at the minute, which is FO29, so I'll click on that. That is the circle of reception, and basically this one's up at 58 degrees, so that's quite a good one. I've never got that, but I can't bother switching it all over. I've just done all that, yeah, so these are the birds that are coming up, sideband satellites. I'll click on the FM voice satellites now. These are all the FM voice satellites with the onboard repeaters, so these are quite good. That's the ones, not all of them are active, so what you can do is just look at the AMSAT page, which I suppose I could show you how that works. I'll just put that back on the space station. So let's go to my Chrome browser here. That's you guys. Just knock that off a minute. And let's have a look. Just bear with me, guys. So what I'm looking for now is a SAT status page. This will pop up. So this should be the AMSAT SAT status page. So what you can do, once you've looked at what I've just been talking about, satellite tracking software, which is something like that, you can then double check your findings quite easily by clicking this particular page, which is the AMSAT Live Oscar Satellite Status page. Excuse me. And what you've got is all the active satellites. So starting at the top, you've got the transponder and repeater active, so that means the up and down on the satellite is working. If it's yellow, it means you've only got data telemetry or a beacon. If it's red, there's no signal. Obviously conflicting reports and so on. The blue is the ISS, so that particular shade of blue is slightly different. So when you scroll down the page, you can see that ISS currently is being inactive. So we've got a lot of red on here for the data. We've got SSTV, that's not on. So we've just got telemetry only. So that's what's active at the minute on the space station. So that's on the data side of it. But there is a repeater obviously active, which is this one. So we've got the ISF FM repeater. So it's been heard in Argentina. It wasn't heard in China. It was heard in Venezuela, and so forth. So basically, VK6BMM he heard it, and so did N8 Zulu India. This is how it works. So other amateurs submit a report using this. So you can select the satellite, what you've heard, submit a report, uplink and downlink, and then your call sign will appear on this list down here. I'm not sure if mine's still there. I do submit them from time to time. So look. No, I'm due to submit one, so I've not done it for a day or two. So when you submit a report, you get a bit of a honours roll, if you like. All these are the active satellites at the moment, so that's how that works. And it's quite handy to know. So we've got a lot of SSB satellites working. Obviously AO91, like I mentioned, that's offline. So if you looked at AO92, which has been offline previously, that's back online. So it's a pretty useful page. So hopefully I'll explain that for you. And there you go. That's a little bit of the satellite stuff. So let's get back to what we're doing tonight, which is playing a bit of radio. Hopefully. So I hope you enjoyed that. Feel about out of band there.
Tango Lima Foxtrot, Oscar Echo 6 Tango Lima Foxtrot, CQDX.
So I'll just have a listen for a little bit, see if it gets any DX. That's how I'll wet this cup of tea.
CQDX. Looking for DX, Oscar
No
Echo
call,
6
Monday.
Tango Lima Foxtrot, Oscar Echo 6
Yeah,
Tango
evening,
Lima
Nick.
Foxtrot, CQDX. CQDX, looking for DX from Oscar Echo 6 Tango Lima Foxtrot, 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 CQDX.
May as well see what's going on, have a bit of earwigging. Can't beat a bit of shortwave. It's quite a very nice, quiet band tonight. Very little noise.
CQDX.
I'll probably put a couple of shouts out in a second.
CQDX. Oscar Echo 6
Yeah,
Tango
good evening
Lima
to you,
Foxtrot.
Katie, and all the Ham Radio Operator live stream. Good to see you in there. Evening, Steve. Chris, if you're about. Evening to John over there in Gibraltar as well. And obviously, all the rest of the guys, the group's growing fast. Thanks for joining anyway. If you haven't joined yet, check out the link on QRZ.com. On my profile, there's a link to the group. That's if you like that kind of thing. Obviously, if you don't, don't worry.
Delta Zulu, your 5959 name here is Tom Tango Skermike, QSL, over.
Rhode Island in there. It's going to try my dipole.
Okay, Mark, you're also 959.
Very little difference. No difference on this guy, but maybe the stateside signal slightly stronger, a little bit noisier.
Mark, yes, name is Tom Tango Skermike, and I'm located approximately in the triangle of...
Hello to, I think is it Middlesbrough? Hello to Equalizer, how are you doing, mate?
Slovenian border.
Hope you're having a good evening.
Copy, November 1, Delta Zulu, Oscar Echo 6 Tango Lima Foxtrot, over.
Yeah, there's certainly some nice antenna systems out there, that's for sure, Steve. Looking at the comment there. So we've had Snowden today, 5 and 5. I presume is that on VHF then, perhaps there, Nick? And how are you doing there, M1 Triple D? Nick. Got a few nicks on. How you doing, mate? I trust all's well. I bet you've got a bit of snow your side. We haven't actually got no snow here yet. We're a bit gutted. Oh, you did it on 11 metres, did you, Nick? Very nice.
Yes,
Good stuff. I'm not sure where your QTH is. I think
Zulu.
it's...
06
Can't quite remember now. I think it's in Manchester.
Audio is superb. So I cannot say that.
So yeah, this is quite a nice band tonight, guys. So I'll quick listen around a bit more and see if we can hear anybody calling. I'm impressed with the low noise level tonight. It sounds really nice. Probably because I've taken the headphones off.
Booming in here. Q5, full time S9, going up and down a little bit, but nothing to worry about. Thank you, and 7-3s. Wish you all the very best for 2021.
India 0, Radio Kilo Victor. India 0, Radio Kilo Victor. I0 RKV. India 0, Radio Kilo
Yes,
Victor.
quite a bit of activity.
India 0,
It's not hearing
Radio Kilowatt
really shouting,
Victoria.
I don't think.
Italy 0, Radio Kilowatt Victoria.
So yeah, it's a very patient hobby, this, isn't it, guys? A lot of waiting around. It's a bit like fishing, waiting for that big fish. No, I'm not hearing the DX. Very pleased with the new antenna switch that I recently installed. That's been a major
9
improvement.
America 1 Charlie, Charlie Yankee. 9 America 1 Canada, Canada, Yokohama.
Some very nice signals in there. Oh, that sounds like Frankie. The Caribbean.
Okay, let me pick up the radio. Station Victor and go again.
Yeah, just to get your comment there, Nick. DX doesn't seem too bad. I've had a few stateside earlier on 40. Japan seems to be coming through, but not this side.
Good morning, how you doing?
Just struggling with this a bit, just pulling them out. You guys might hear them better than me because I've got the radio plugged into the PC, so I'm listening through the speakers. So yeah, we're doing a bit of shortwave listening, guys. Not wrong with that though, is it? On a cold Monday evening. Right, that was a quick reflex. Yeah, that's Mike, Frankie for sure. So it does seem better on the dipole every time. So Victor Papa 9, I believe. Got it right. I'm not sure if it's this frequency. Ooh. Yep, it is definitely Frankie. Is it Victor Papa 2 or Mike November India? Just a bit in the noise. So we've just got a bit of local noise coming up on that aerial antenna. Let's try them on the vertical again.
Yeah, I mean, it's about 75 Fahrenheit, right?
So that's Montserrat coming through, guys. Victor Papa 2 Mike November India, I think that's Frankie's call.
Okay, happy to hear. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar.
Hotel Bravo.
Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Hotel Bravo. Oscar Echo 1 Hotel Bravo.
Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Oscar Echo 1 Hotel Bravo. Oscar Echo 1 Hotel Bravo.
So you've got a lot of noise on the, is it on the SDR receiver I wonder then, Steve, on the internet? My old transistorized receiver sounding clearer. Not sure. Can't beat the old transistors, you know. Hi. Yeah, Frankie's faded there, unless he's not talking. So I think I'm going to just change the title. I wonder if I can edit this stream as I'm talking. No, I don't think I can. I should change it really from Live in the Shack AO 92 approaching. It's not really appropriate. I'll change it after to Live in the Shack twiddling the VFO. Oh yeah, we can. So what should we call it, guys? Live in the Shack, feeling miserable in lockdown level 5. Oh, just on 40, eh? Why not? Oh, very.
Thank you again, and 73 Radio United for Papa Alpha. Bye-bye.
That's a nice signal. We'll give him a shout, why not? That's what's his frequency, obviously. Possibly not, eh? Okay, I'm gonna probably put a shout or two out.
North America. Anybody from North America? Oscar Echo 6 Tango Lima Foxtrot. Oscar Echo 6 Tango Lima Foxtrot. North America, over.
See if he's getting anywhere for this.
Okay, Victor. Oh, sorry. Have some computer troubles. Victor Oscar, please stand by for a moment.
Yeah, I'm going to be doing a bit of welding from home, Nick. That's a question that's popped up.
Again, okay?
I'll be pulling the welding set out of the shed.
Victor Oscar, over.
Excuse me. Dear me. No, I've actually got obviously welding equipment. plasma cutter and all sorts of
Oscar
stuff.
1 Lima Radio Alpha, thank you very much. We had a few QSOs,
Yeah, I've got all the equipment,
QSO,
but I'll be doing the online
day
lessons.
before. So,
I've
you're
got a lot of
59 again.
technical stuff to get
59
through, which
again,
I
Victor
can do.
Oscar
I'll be doing
1
that.
Lima Radio Alpha.
Been doing it anyway, so it's just
De Leon,
continuation.
this is Oscar Echo 6 Tango Lima Fox for
A
the
bit more of it, that's all. So yes, you might be getting that radar interference there, Steve. Between 105 and 125.
For the 20 over.
So yeah, I can hear the station from Canada just there in the background.
Name is Tom Tango.
So let's just try to find a bit of a frequency and give a few calls.
Call again. Give me your call again.
Yes, I'll try and go at the top end of the band so that I can let some of the operators that can't operate lower down give us a shout, possibly from stateside. It's always packed in the side of the band.
5 by 5, 55. I believe north, 5 by 5. Name is Paul, over.
So yeah, a nice signal coming from Italy. Obviously the disadvantage of having this transistor radio is there's no band scope, so I've got to kind of just listen a little while or I jump on. Yeah, evening Ronan, hope you're safe up there and well. Just joined you mate, we're in the lockdown clan. Greetings to the lockdown bunker, from one bunker to another. Yes, get the dustbin lid out mate. That's what I'm using, I've got a dustbin lid. Deflect the virus. Is this frequency in use please? Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra is asking, is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, is this frequency in use? Hopefully I'm not getting no interference. I think I've sorted it all now guys. Is this frequency in use? Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0 YKS, is the frequency occupied? Italy Uniform 6, Oscar Uniform Quebec. I think you're giving me a call there. Thanks very much. You're about 5 and 7, 57. My name's Simon, Sierra India Mike Oscar November. And my call is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Italy United 6, Oscar United Queen from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar.
My call is Italy Uniform 6, Oscar Juliet, Quebec,
right.
Ontario, Japan, Quebec. My name is Giorgio, Golf India Oscar, Romeo, Golf India Oscar. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger George, got that correct. Very nice. Italy United 6, Oscar Juliet, Quebec. I'd say you're 5 by 9 now, my friend. Coming up great. A little bit of QSB on the first calling, but coming through very nicely indeed, here into the north part of England. My name's Simon, Sierra India Mike Oscar November, and yeah, just playing around on the band, seeing what the conditions are like. I think there's a bit of DX, but I'm only really here in Europe at the minute, and 1 or 2 weak signals from across the pond. Hopefully things will get a bit better, but nice to make the contact into Italy tonight, and Happy New Year my friend. Italy United 6, Oscar Juliet Queen, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, over. Right, ending off. Nice faded. Yeah, I'm sorry, I missed the last part of the transmission. Just ask the question again, please, over.
Okay, Simon. That place is for you. Happy New Year.
Fair enough.
My water condition is old Kenwood 440 and vertical antenna. No amplifier, only the power of the equipment. Back to you, Simon.
Ah, QSL, yeah. Well, you're sounding good now, Giorgio. Sounding good. Just a bit of QSB occasionally takes you down, drops you down a little bit. But when the signal's good, you're up to 5x9 in the clear, my friend. I'm running 400 watts, full power, full legal power from the United Kingdom. And the antenna system is a vertical Hustler with a few radials fitted. And yeah, the band seems to be quite good. The radio this side is the FT1000 MP Mark V field, and driving about 25 watts a minute into the amplifier. I don't really need to pull it out quite as powerful, so I'll just drop it back. Obviously, if you're running barefoot, I'll just drop it back to about 250, 300 watts there. Hopefully you can still hear me. Italy United 6 Oscar Japan Queen. Nice copy from Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, over.
Here's Simon, Italy Uniform 6 Oscar Julia Quebec, returning for Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. I'm pleased to meet you on frequency, Simon. Best waiting for you, and I hope to see you again in better conditions. But happy New Year, and bye-bye. Ciao, ciao, Simon.
Yeah, Roger, Giorgio. Thank you very much, my friend. The pleasure's mine. Stay safe and stay healthy, and enjoy the radio. Nice to meet you tonight. Thanks for the shout. And by the way, I'm transmitting or broadcasting live on YouTube, so you can check out your radio signal at my end. If you play the video direct from QRZ.com, there is a link from my page. 73, my friend. All the best indeed. Italy United 6 Oscar Japan Queen. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Bye bye, ciao.
Ciao, ciao, good DX. You are on my London US.
Many thanks, 73. CQ 40 meters, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra standing by. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ 40 standing by. Hopefully sounding alright. Presume so. I think I've got it sus now. CQ 40 meters, hello 40 from Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. M0 YKS in North England. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ 40 meters. CQ 40 meters, CQ 40 from Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ 140. CQ 40, hello 40 meters. This is Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mexico 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ 140. CQ 40, hello 40 meters from Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. M0 YKS calling CQ 40 and standing by. So you lot are talking about CW. I'm not really into CW. I appreciate it, but I just can't handle it yet. Maybe in a few. Maybe I'll get into it. I'd like to. I'm into loops though. I like the loops. Super loop. I like that as well. CQ 40 meters. CQ 40 meters from Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mexico 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, QRZ 40. CQ on 40 calling 40 meter band. This is Mexico 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. M0 YKS CQ 40. Is that what QRO means? Yeah, maybe. CQ40, CQ40 from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra standing by. Hello 40 meters calling CQ 40 meter band, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0 YKS QRZ please. Hello 40 calling CQ, hello 40 meters, this is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0 YKS, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, 40 meter band CQ. Yeah, I've got an electric toothbrush, probably puts out about 10 watts. It's quite powerful, radiates well. CQ 40 meters, hello 40, calling CQ from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, CQ on 40. If you get 2 toothbrushes, you get a lot more gain on your teeth. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ 40 meters. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0 YKS in North England, CQ 40 meters. I'll give a couple more shouts on here and then I'll see whether or not I can get any RF from the audio on 8 meters. CQ on 40 meters calling CQ. Hello CQ 40 meters, this is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0 YKS calling CQ 40. CQ 40 meters, CQ, hello CQ 40 from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0 YKS, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ 40. I've got a nice Morse key. You can see it here anyway. I know you're talking about Morse. I do a little bit, but mainly messing around. But I've got one, I've got a couple of these. This is quite a nice key. CQ 40 meters calling CQ, hello 40 from Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0 YKS, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ on 40 meters and standing by. So yeah, that's the bencher, straight key. Use it on this really, on the 847, it's a good key. Got 2 of them. And then we've got a 1942 classic somewhere, not too far away. QRZ please, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Thought I had a weak voice then. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra in North England. CQ on 40 meters and listening. Yeah, I've never tried a paddle, only in a boat. I've been up the old river a few times and back down without a paddle. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ 40 meters. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0 YKS QRZ. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQ 40 meters. So we're not getting nowhere here, are we? I might try QSY. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0 YKS calling CQ 40 and listening. Yeah, I need a bigger amp. Now I'm doing full power. So I presume they've not got no RF coming through on 40. Excuse me, Lazy. M0 YKS closing down the frequency, now clear. So yeah, let's go elsewhere. I'm not wanted.
Earlier, Tony, some days I just kind of get a bit cabin fever, feeling a bit down, a bit blue, you know, and you kind of just, I don't know, I think that must be having quite an impact on lots of different people.
Yeah.
You know, you just kind of get a bit frustrated for no particular reason.
I think this guy's got
Perhaps
it
it's a
more.
black dog. I don't know. But,
Right
yeah.
then, just
About 400 out.
so we've obviously got decent conditions. Just find a clear frequency to tune my amplifier. Let me listen for a second. Excuse the music. So yeah, I've got this silly bit of a cough hanging around. I'm sure a lot of us have got it. Right, power down, amplifier on. So yeah, I generally start off with about 5 watts or something, like 10 watts maybe. Just slowly bring it up. That'll do. Just check my SWR reading. I don't really know RF, I don't really know zzz, like I were hearing before, so hopefully that's okay. Hopefully. I think I've caught it now, guys. Is this frequency in use, please? Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency occupied? Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Hello CQ, hello CQ 80 meters, hello 80. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. M0 YKS calling CQ 80. CQ 180, hello 80. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. M0 YKS calling.
G0 CMK, over.
Yeah, great copy. G0 CMK, nice to hear you. I think we worked last night, I'm not sure. Your voice sounds familiar, sounding good. 5x9 plus. And nice to hear you tonight, over.
Yeah, QSL, Simon, QSL. M0 YKS, G0 CMK, it's Nigel in North Lincolnshire, over.
Yeah, I thought so. I thought I recognised you. Yeah, you sounded even better tonight. The band is really clear. No noise. Sounds beautiful, Nigel, over.
Yeah, I'm just looking at I didn't see what the noise level was. I think the Christmas tree lights have been turned out, over.
Yeah, I reckon you must be right. Definitely. It definitely sounds like that, doesn't it? It's a massive improvement. I mean, last night we had all kind of noise coming through, and obviously my transmission was terrible. I was putting loads of RF in, but I've had my finger out today, and I put a load of ferrites on everything, and pulled the PC out, replugged everything into the back of the PC as opposed to the front, and rerouted a few wires, and then found out it was just a pair of headphones that were doing it. So, well, fingers crossed now it's all clear and coming through okay. But yeah, you're a great copy. You're 20 dB over. I'll just knock the attenuation fully off in a second and give you a true report. But great sounding audio and nice sounding band conditions. And thanks for coming back. Golf 0 Charlie Mike Kilo in Lincolnshire. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra in West Yorkshire.
Yeah, okay, yeah, thanks, Simon. Yeah, you're 20 over anyway. You're 20 over, and I think you're
Solid.
You're spot on. The noise on the band is a lot less. And I'm sort of, well, I'm in a semi-rural position here. Yes, I've got houses to the left and right of me, and to the back of me. I'm in a, on English standards, I'm a fairly big plot, and I'm all open fields all to the front. So my noise level is not normally that bad, but just recently it was up at S9 at times on here. But as you come to mention it now, I can tell it's a lot quieter.
Hi there, Pat. Greetings. Yeah, sorry about that. I've just got Pat who's just joined us from stateside, from Oregon, on the side there on the stream. But yeah, it's like you said. I think you nailed it with the Christmas trees, possibly. Who knows? That could be it. You know, that makes the most sense to me. That suddenly everybody's packed them up, and I know we've taken ours down, so. Possibly that's it. I think that's a pretty. I think you nailed it on that one, Nigel. Well, it certainly sounds that way. But there, you're working superb. And I actually had a quick chat with Dan afterwards, M7 BCE on 2 meters before I went to bed, and he were over the moon to work you there on the band. Even though you can say you can hear him better on 2 meters, so good stuff. But yeah, fantastic conditions, and your audio sounding superb, absolutely cracking through, much better than yesterday. Just give us a reminder on the setup, Nigel. Golf Zero Charlie Mike Kilo from Mike Zero Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Yeah, I'm on the ICOM again tonight. IC 7600, 100 watts into a dipole, which is about 5 meters off the ground, strung across my front lawn, and the microphone is a Heil 781, and that's about it, just the rig, and 100 watts. Whatever this ICOM 7600 puts out, Simon, over.
Yeah, well, it sounds great anyway, it really does, it's working super. Really crystal clear tonight, and fantastic. Great to copy. Like I say, first one on 80. I've just been up on 40 meters, messing around really, trying my luck, but nothing really happening. Just worked a couple of stations on there, Serbia I think, and Italy. So I thought I'd best come down here and see what's going on. But also I wanted to just make sure that everything's in order with the stream and not getting too much interference. So I think I've got it nailed, and quite happy about it as well. So apart from obviously I need to get it nailed because we haven't got much else better to look forward to. G0 excuse me, Charlie Mike Kilo Mike Zero Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Yeah, I know that, yeah. Did I see on QRZ, are you, I was going to suggest,
a little bit of RF,
well, you'll correct me, I'm sure. Are you a teacher of welding or something of that ilk, over?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, I teach welding and fabrication at a local college. What I've done for a number of years, and obviously it's a little bit difficult doing stuff like that online. But we do deliver the. Actually, I'm just going to back the processor off. Didn't realise I had it on. That should sound a bit nicer now. Yeah, we do obviously online stuff. So I'll be doing that every minute for the next few weeks.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So you've probably heard of the World Skills at NEC at Birmingham, and I mean, I don't want to have done it this year, but have you heard of the World Skills Championship at the NEC, over?
Yeah, Roger, yeah, I hosted it many times. I've worked at a college where I worked for 28 years, and in the time I've been there, I've had the honour to do the skill weld, as it were. Well, that part of the World Skills that we're involved in, obviously we call it skill weld, and I've done it a number of times with the Welding Institute. And I'm actually a welding inspector for the TWI, the Welding Institute. We're CSWIP trained, so myself and a couple of colleagues, we do welding inspection for outside companies that come in and test them, make sure they've got the latest codings and stuff. I do that as well, as I teach the regular students. So we're a centre for coded welding, and part of the TWI, which is the Welding Institute. So I know the guys quite well, put it that way. But in the past I've worked with the other guys who organise Skill Weld. They used to do it. I'm not sure if they're still behind it now. I know there's a few other people getting into it. And we've had BBC live from college in the welding department. We're on the BBC, local BBC, that is BBC Leeds. And that was quite good fun. A guy called Dara, he was the presenter. I got him to do a bit of welding live on air. That was fun. And then as a bit of a reward, I got to play in the back of the BBC van and look at all the equipment. Obviously I told him I was a radio amateur, and that was it. I tried to get rid of my hi-hi. But yeah, it's somewhat pretty good skill weld, and we've had quite a few successful candidates. Last year I had a number 2. Well, not last year, but probably about 3 years ago. And it got a young lady who got the first position. And we got number 2 down Birmingham, I believe. If you were down there, his name was Carl Shaw from M0YKS. Back to you.
Yeah, well I have been, not in my capacity of myself, but as a father. And my son was in it in 2014.
Excellent.
2014 he was there, because that's what he does. He's a fab welder. Well, he's obviously he's still doing fab welding, but he's moved on a bit since then. 2014, and he did. Yeah, he did it. He got the gold medal. He was first.
To Brazil. Yeah, QSL. Whoops, I just kicked the camera. QSL, yeah, good stuff. It's brilliant. Well, I'm very pleased to hear that he got the gold medal. You can't get any better than that. That's excellent. I hope he got a decent career out of it. because I know that a lot of the people who do well in the skill weld end up getting approached by some of the big sponsors, and that's it. They don't look back. Is that what happened, over?
Yeah, something like that. I mean, obviously, I had the conversation with some of his tutors when he wasn't there, and I sort of, and not having any experience in welding and fabbing at all, none whatsoever, totally out of my comfort zone. So obviously, I was looking towards you guys, as a father, just to say, okay, where are we going with this type of thing? So I just sort of said to him, I said, how far is he going to go? Obviously you got to go medal and what. So I just said, how far is he going to go? And they just said, he's going to go all the way. And he did. He worked for a very small firm, a very small sort of lorry fabrication company in a small village not far from here. But he then after the World Skills and a few months down the line, he went to a company in Grimsby, and he's now in the food industry, and he specialises in welding stainless steel and alloy. That's all he does now. He's stainless steel and alloy, over.
Yeah, Roger, good stuff. Yeah, I can weld stainless steel, alloy. Well, can weld anything, but yeah, excellent. Well, that's obviously the nice materials to weld. The stainless and the alloy, they're a lot cleaner than some of the mild steels and the rest of it there. But yeah, it's all good fun. I love it. Obviously, been into it all my life, and it's great to be able to teach some of the youngsters that and keep to it, and they end up being fantastic at it, especially some of the pipe welders that we get through on the stainless steel and that. But yeah, very good. We do all the lot. We do the TIG, MIG, manual metal arc. We also do flux core welding. But there's a few new ones coming out, obviously, which we'll have to look into. Obviously, always new technologies on the market, but we've got all the latest inverter equipment. Very fortunate where there's been a coded welding centre. We've got a lot of good stuff. So I make a lot of things for myself, actually, obviously. And I do I don't really do, I make sure I do most things myself, let's put it that way, when it comes to vehicles or welding or motorcycles or jobs around the house and stuff. But I've got a tower in the garden. I've made a bit of a tower. It's been lying in the garden for a few months. I'll have to get my finger out maybe and get that slapped it up. But I don't know yet. We'll see. Maybe just something to do. I quite enjoy welding. And then obviously I make a few ornaments. I've got this microphone stand in my hand. That's one of them. And a few other bits and pieces and stuff. But can't beat it. But yeah, great to hear that your son's obviously done really well with it. And it's a brilliant thing as a skill weld. Really enjoy it. And we've had some great times doing it. Quite difficult as well. Seen a lot of big companies bring their guys in and produce some welds which should look the business, but as soon as you quench them in the water and you find a few defects, and sometimes I've seen them not fused properly on the aluminium plate to flat and stuff like that, pipe to plate, things like that with TIG. Quite tricky. Good stuff though, all good fun. But yeah, you're making me miss the place already. I've only been absent one day. Back to you, and then we'll see if anybody else is about. Golf Zero, Charlie Mike Kilo, from Mike Zero, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Yeah, well, that's the beauty. I mean, he works for Allied Protec, which do all sort of food companies and that, and he's been at Kellogg's,
Get yourself a transit
in Liverpool, and he's been to
transit. You can weld all
in at the Mars factory. He's been all over Europe as well, and even in the last lockdown, just after the last lockdown, they sent him to Germany and Spain, and he went to a McDonald's a McDonald's food factory in France that did chicken nuggets, and I said, you'll like this, because it was lockdown as well. I said, are you sure it's all right to go? He says, yeah, essential workers, all that kind of stuff. So I said, are you telling me they haven't got any stainless steel welders in France? So he said, well, he says they have got, but he says obviously they're not good enough, over.
Yeah, Roger. Well, it's surprising how good our UK welders are, obviously. The standard that we weld and teach to is a very high standard. There's a couple of standards that we test there. There's BS 4872, which is pretty much what you learn as a student on level 3. And then there's the EN 9606, which BSEN 9606, which is really high standard. All that stuff gets X-rayed and fully tested, fully destructive testing and all the rest of it. So if you can pass them kind of codings, you know, you're a good welder. And most of the guys that come through, you know, they tend to go for that qualification. So they are very skilled, highly skilled. And there's a lot of guys that do travel about. A lot of our apprentices are getting great opportunities and getting around. And I'm not too sure what it'll be like with the changes, but I'm sure things will be just as good for them. Just obviously a few differences and stuff. But that's all to get sorted. But yeah, most of the guys are still working. All the students who are apprentices. We've got a big apprenticeship group, we'll say. We've probably got about 4 days of different apprentices. We had to split them up into 2 groups. We've got that many. So it's really positive for our local area actually. We've got a lot of engineering and production. Quite a few small companies and 1 or 2 middle-sized companies which do a lot of good stuff, but they're all constantly working, obviously, because it's a necessity. So all our guys are out now at the minute, even though there's the pandemic on, they're still working, most of them. Not every one of them, but I'd say 9 out of 10 are, so that's the situation. So yeah, they're still getting the skills, so that's the great thing about the apprenticeship course. 4 days on the job and 1 day at college, so the 1 day that they're missing for the theory and stuff, I'm covering it online anyway, so it's not too bad on that point of view. Well, Golf 0, Charlie Mike, Kilo, M0, YKS.
Yeah, fine, Simon, yeah. Well, it's interesting because where Luke is, my lad, they've got, I think we've got 10 apprentices on there. They've got 10. And he was saying the other day, I think what they're doing, or seem to be doing, is that they're getting people like Luke to teach them to a degree. I said to him sort of what? I said, well, what have you been doing today? He says, the apprentice has been helping me and I've been showing him how to do this job sort of thing. So there's quite a bit of that going on, probably because of the pandemic and different things, but where they've got the sort of the coded and the qualified welders still passing the skills onto the other ones, onto the apprentices, over.
Yeah, Roger. Well, that's what it needs. It needs a bit of peer teaching. Keeps everybody into it, and obviously it's good because the students respond well to someone of a similar age as well, with similar experience, and obviously they can talk the talk and pick it up really quickly. I quite often get some of my more experienced apprentices to show some of the new guys a few tricks of the trade, and they like it. So yeah, that's not a bad thing. But yeah, your lad, obviously he'll be in demand. There's a shortage of people delivering the kind of skills. Not everybody obviously wants to be a teacher, especially in this day and age. And the money's not quite as good as it used to be, I'll say that quite bravely. But yeah, I've probably got a couple of my guys watching on the stream, so if you're watching, guys, hope you're doing well. I know Finley's in there, so I'm not sure if he's watching now, but I know you've subscribed, so stay safe, guys, if you are on the side, and keep up the good work. But yeah, it's a great topic, and I could talk all night, but I'm going to see if anybody else is about, if that's okay, Nigel, because not everybody likes welding, but I do, obviously, and it sounds like you do as well. Golf 0, Charlie Mike Kilo, M0, YKS.
Well, once I like it, I can never get anything welded. Good God, do you know any welders? Because if I wanted any welding done, Simon, there's no chance. And just finally on it, it was down to, it was in the last, there was 4 of them down to go to Abu Dhabi for the World Championship.
Excellent.
And they did it, what they did was obviously the World Championship, I think every 2 years or something like that, or every 3 years, I can't remember what it is, but anyway, there was 4 candidates to go to, in the competition, to be selected to go to Abu Dhabi.
You get a good signal from me, Nick.
Unfortunately, Luke got beat by one of his work colleagues. So where Luke works, they've got the 1 and 2 in the country, and he got beat by, I think, his work colleague by about 1 point. So Luke was second. But never mind. I said to him, learn by it, and you like to try harder next time, HI. Yeah, go on, Simon. We're talking welding. It's boring for us. See who's about, mate. Over to you.
Yeah, no problem. Like, I will continue at another time, Nigel. But yeah, it sounds great anyway. And well, not getting pipped by your mate like, but everything else you told me does. But yeah, good stuff. And obviously, cracking bank conditions. I've just seen a comment on the screen saying that we're putting out some nice signals tonight. So things are looking good. But yeah, I'll have to just take a 2-second break in a sec because my Chromebook's about to die. The battery. I've only got 12 minutes left, or possibly maybe that's how long I'm going to stop on. So I've been on a while, get carried away with this. But yeah, lovely to meet you again, and obviously if you hear me again throughout the week, don't hesitate to come back. Always up for a rag chew, and yeah, I'll hopefully get you on VHF as well. So thanks for the shout, mate, and we'll pick anybody else up, and then I'll probably pull in the plug because I had a bit of a late night last night, and I definitely have to do a bit of stuff tomorrow online. So I'll just pick 1 or 2 more up, and then if there's anybody calling, that is, and we'll call it a draw. So nice to have got you in there again, and beautiful copy all the way, sounding perfect. Beautiful band conditions. Golf 0 Charlie Mike Kilo, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Yeah, okay mate, yeah. Give him a shout out anyway, and we'll have to put the 2 meters anyway, so I'm sure I'm sure I'll hear you anyway. Okay, I'll go quiet for now, mate. Give me a shout out. See you comes back. See you later.
Yeah, see you later, mate. Take care. All the best indeed. Have a great night, or shall I say good morning now. 73, take care.
73, side, bye.
Yeah, see you later, Nick.
Bravo, Hotel Bravo, yourself.
I've got the Bravo. Do you want to go again, please?
Golf 8 Bravo Hotel Bravo. Golf 8 Bravo Hotel Bravo. Good morning, Simon. Your name is Bill here, West Midlands. All the best, mate.
Yeah, very nice to meet you, Bill. Good morning. I didn't quite catch the QTH, but I got you in there, no problem, Bill. Golf 8 Bravo Hotel Bravo. I'm not sure if we've met before. Possibly, I'm not too sure. But yeah, you've got the name correct, and you're coming through 5x9 here in Baildon, in the north of Bradford. Golf 8 Bravo Hotel Bravo, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Yes, cheers, Simon. It's Bill.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
India, Lima. Yes, Happy New Year to you. I trust you well, and you've had a good, I say a good break. We've got another long break now, apparently, but yes, I wish you all the best anyway.
Good night, and one Triple D.
And keep, what is it, keep those welding sticks dry.
Yeah, I'll keep the heated quiver on them high. But yeah, nice to meet you, Bill. And yeah, like you say, we've got a bit more time to make a few QSOs, so I will be making the most of it from that perspective, and doing obviously taking care of the guys in between where possible. I've had quite a few of them on this evening actually, Bill. I put a bit. Obviously, I like making videos, so it's not just you poor souls that I put through the paces. I make them guys suffer as well. So I knocked a video up straight away explaining the current situation, state of play, asking them to drop us a comment, and they were straight back to me. So I've had quite a few comments tonight and messages from them all. Disappointed in some ways, but obviously sensible and doing the right thing. But we'll also see how long it lasts anyway. So I'll catch you later, mate. I'll pick up 1 or 2 more before I pull the plug. Lovely to work you. Golf 8 Bravo Hotel Bravo. Stay safe down there from Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar. Bye bye.
Yeah, cheers, Simon. You take care. All the best. 73.
73. Yeah, good evening to the southeast of Ireland. Port Road Massive. Good evening. Anybody else by the frequency for a quick call? This is M0YKS listening. Not sure if you've got a weak one in there. Okay, I'm going to give it 1 more shout and then I'll be signing. This is Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra near Bradford in West Yorkshire, standing by for a call. A bit of noise has just come up now, hasn't it? From somewhere. Someone's got a Christmas tree back out there. It is. Mexico 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Just listening by for 1 last call. Okay, nothing heard, so many thanks indeed for any shortwave listeners and all the people called in. Catch you again, I'll be back throughout the week. M0YKS now clear and the frequency is now free. So guys, that'll do me. I don't think I'll be stopping up too late because obviously I've got to do a bit of work. I've got to do a little bit of college work. So a quick flick through though before we go. Have a quick see if there's any DX before we go.
I think it's always careful, you're probably not going to overload it, I suppose.
Yeah, cheers Ronan. Be safe up there, brother. Just going to check out the DX before we sign. Whoops. See what's going down this side of the border. Hi. So yeah, good evening to Alex over there from the Ham Radio Operator live stream crew.
Bye-bye.
Best wishes, my friend. So let's just see what's going down for YU1 X-Ray Alpha. I'm just going to switch to my vertical because quite often that is a nice receiver, as you can see. So this is the Hustler vertical, which is pretty. I've actually worked across the pond on it and into the Caribbean on 80. And as you can tell, it's a very nice receiver, especially if there's a bit of noise about. Which we're obviously getting some noise there. Big difference on signal strength though. So let's just see what else we've got.
Все время проход гуляет, то громче, то тише. Ну, записал песню.
So no, I don't think we're going to be hearing any DX tonight, chaps. Ladies and gentlemen.
So you need to make sure your input, your radio is protected with switching as well, and whatever arrangement. I think I mentioned that the other day. But
hello there, Mr. Daniel Davison.
All managed to destroy his was he.
Glad you've been on the side, mate. We'll let you join in next time, buddy. And good to hear that your setup's working well, mate. The noise has been great, hasn't it? It's been really low until you switched that flaming Christmas tree back on. I did tell you you won't have any of it. So yeah, nice to see you back there, Andy. I'm not hanging about much longer, mate. I'm just having a quick last listen through. I'm going to sign off the way we started with a bit of shortwave listening. Just go on my vertical, noisy. So yeah, 40 seems to have dropped off at the minute. It's quite surprising how it goes. Just try the vertical, have a little sweep. Bit stateside there.
I've been using that thing for years in Ham. So when I think of Butler, PA, I think of the Butler Farm Show Airport and my stop at Hamfest there with one of my old Navy pilot buddies. We were flying together. 7-3, good luck, and have a great 2020.
I'm glad to hear that your new wire's working well, Nick. You're receiving lots of good stuff. I'll catch you later, Steve. I'm calling it a day as well, mate. Thanks for joining me tonight. And have a great sleep. 73, buddy. Stay safe up there. Keep looking at the wrong place because I moved the camera, didn't I? Forgot where I put it. All the best, Steve. G0LQP. Good night, mate. Yeah, Fort Road Massives. Glad you joined us there, buddy. The Mike Lima Alpha 30. Sounds good. So, I think this is going to be it, guys. So yeah, they're still got to about the vertical's doing it again.
Jackie, 40, 20, 50 and 10 meters to Phantom. And you set that 40 meters to Phantom. And my Jackie, it is 29 meters right to ground. And my rounding, it is 600 whiskey. And radio CI2 FT 1000 by Papa. And really, at the moment, that night, the first I look into Europe, and I call and that's the frequency, it is very quiet, and nothing happens. Second, I see when it's the seaside, when I call in, it's nothing. I return in my answer.
Catch you later, Nick. Good night, my friend. Back to you, Katie.
My antenna tuning to 0, exactly the North Pole, and it's the first when I say I call in the DXF, Mr. Team Alaska, Kilo Lima 7 Kilo. He copied my call and he coming fantastic and at my side.
Let's find out where this guy is.
Very long QS.
Before I go.
Because it's the first time when I take a QS with Mr. Team, it is 2 years ago, I take a QS to him 20 meters to Phantom, and he member also.
I don't know what the line RFE is. It sounds good to me, mate. Wow, this guy can talk. Oh, I will bad. So a quick look at that space station. Oh.
I listen to one of my big friends in Thailand, Mr. Karam. He coming absolutely fantastic to my side. And now the Willie, you coming very forward, it's a 59 and excellent.
Right, things in Italy by powers of deduction. Right, so it's a filter, that sounds good. Yeah, I'm interested to hear more about that filter you were mentioning for the RF and stuff. Glad to hear you're hearing well, Fort Road Massives. But it could be Finland, that. Oscar Hotel, possibly. Right guys, I'm going to back that down and I'm probably going to call it a day, so thanks very much indeed once again for passing the evening with us, keeping us sane in these crazy times. I keep looking at the wrong place though because I'm so used to looking up there. So yeah, I moved the camera earlier in the attempt to get shut of the RF, and I think I managed to get rid of most of it, so on 80 meters that is. So yeah, hopefully we'll get back on again. I'm not sure if I'll be on tomorrow, but more likely might be. With things as they are. So just looking at the comments, I'm not sure what am I doing, so yeah, I'm not sure I'm picking up what signals you mean or what. Oh, I think he's talking the Fort Road Massive. So yeah, good stuff. I'm glad you're chatting amongst yourselves, and it's always great to read the chat. Keep it coming guys, so I'll probably catch up with you hopefully at some stage tomorrow with some of the crazy madness from the shack in between it all. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, that's the main thing. We'll keep watching and we'll try our best to cheer you up. We've been a bit miserable, a bit grumpy tonight, but you know, that's the situation. I think we're all like that. So tomorrow I'll be back to my usual crazy self. So all YLs 7388, all OMs 73, good night's sleep, and anyone else that I missed in between there, take care. This is M0 YKS signing, clearing, and catching you soon. Thanks for watching.